Yo, what's up guys, Andy here, back with another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to find the exact sold price for any item on eBay. Okay, so here we are on eBay. Let's go ahead and search for an item first of all. So I'm just going to search Charizard. That's what I know, Pokemon cards. So that's just what we're going to look at. Okay, so here are all of the Charizard listings. Now I'm just going to go to sold listings. So we can scroll down. You can do all of this on mobile as well, by the way. I'm just doing the tutorial on desktop. So here we have sold listings. So this is useful because there's a few different types of listings. We've got auctions that could start at like a penny, but also allow an offer. So someone could just offer $30, then that could be accepted. We've got buy it nows with offers. So something could be $200, but someone could offer $150 and that could get accepted, but it's hard to see that. So this tool is gonna allow you to see exactly what something sells for. Regardless of if it's an auction or a buy it now or anything like that, you get to see the exact price. So here's what I'm talking about right here. You can see like this card sold for $19.99. That's pretty obvious. But some of these others have a strike through. It's like $169, $55. This means that they were a buy it now, but then someone sent an offer in and that offer was accepted. So we're gonna click on this one right here. So if we come to this page, we can't see anything about the exact sell price. It just says $169, but we know an offer was sent for this and it sold for less. So that's where this tool comes in handy. It's gonna allow us to see the exact sale price. So what we wanna do is copy the URL. So I'm just clicking in the URL bar and copying the URL. You can do this on mobile as well by clicking the share button, or we can come to the original listing and scroll down and get the item number. So you can copy the URL or the item number over here. You can get both of those on mobile as well. The next thing we want to do is come to flippertools.com. So this is the easiest way that I've found to do this. This website will show the exact price. We want to go to eBay best offer actual selling price. And then you can see right here, we just want to paste in the ID or the URL. So I'm going to paste in the URL and click OK. So it's going to think for a second while it pulls this up. We can see that this card sold for $150. And remember, if we come back here, we can see that it was listed for $169 and it shows as sold for $169. But in reality, an offer was sent and it sold for $150. So this is a super useful tool. It's essential for markets like this to know the exact sold price, especially when cards are being listed for $1,000, $2,000, $10,000. You know, they could be selling for $500. They could be selling for $7,500. You don't just want to take this as the real price because that's not going to give you the actual market value. You want to always be sure to see the exact sold price so you can get the best information, have the best knowledge of your market that you're interested in. So there you have it. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. I have tons of internet, mobile app tutorials, things like that on the channel so you guys can check those out. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard. You might well.